Hey guys, it's she. I'm back today with another video, and look who I have with me.
Hi, I'm Kiana.
It's Kenzie Kiana. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a tour of the antique mall. So, which booth do you want to take them to first?
Ours.
They're already seeing ours. So we'll end up at ours last.
I know.
Kenzie wants to hold hands. I keep telling her it's Corona time. No. Stop it. I don't want to hold hands, especially kid hands. They're so dirty. No. Okay, for real, we gotta show them our booth.
Okay. Let's show them the lady.
This one. This is Miss Brenda's.
That is?
You never knew that?
No.
Okay, look. So this is hers. And she is the manager of the antique mall.
Yes, all license plates.
Isn't that cool? Yeah. Those are from 1979.
It's messed up.
I know, but some people probably will use them for like projects. What else does she have?
She has a wagon.
Oh yeah, everything's inside of this old vintage wagon. Then I see she's painting her hall tree, and I think we need to paint ours too.
You have that, basically.
Yeah, so hers has like stained glass at the top. But you see how she's painting it white? I think we should paint ours white too. Or what do you think, Gray?
Nah, white.
Okay.
We got.
Chess is cool.
That's hers.
Yeah, this whole thing is hers. So she has this cool. I know it's huge. I like the yellow color, but I think she's looking for new knobs like we talked about. Look, she finished that.
That big thing. How was gonna fit in that one somebody's car? They'll have to have a U-Haul truck.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna have to get a U-Haul truck for that.
Alaska.
But she bought this for somebody for like $300 and she's selling it for $1,000. Isn't it beautiful?
My name. Just not spelled. I forgot. Oh, it just is not spelled right. Mackenzie.
This is beautiful. You see Mackenzie on the map?
Yeah. It is not spelled like me.
There's two chairs.
Look.
Cool.
Show the camera.
Wow, Mackenzie is in Canada?
I'm in Canada?
Wow.
What if I end up in Canada?
Mackenzie. Wait, let's show them Xi'an. That's in China.
Let's see if I can find it.
Where's China? China. There we go. Xi'an.
Xi'an. Do you have an apostrophe?
Yeah, but Lola didn't put it in my name. Look, guys, and she's selling them. And then over here, Kenzie, look, she has like an antique stadium chair.
You see?
And a pillow that says have a seat. That's so cool.
Okay, I'll have a seat.
Come.
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, so yeah, she has a big booth. Wow, look at this bench, y'all. We could literally show you booths for days. This bench is beautiful.
I know, right?
I had an opportunity to buy one of these from Facebook, Kenzie. They only wanted $80 for it.
Why didn't you get it?
Because I didn't have anywhere to put it.
And
And
outside.
no, they want $12.95 for this one. It wasn't as detailed carved, and it was newer. So this one looks really old, but the one I was getting probably was like from Ashley Furniture or something. Oh, at our space, we'll go there. Come on, we'll go.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's see what else. There's a really cool booth that Mackenzie had showed me. It's fun out there. That is dangerous. Look how short I look. She's so silly. But this is going for $7.50. So let's show them. Oh my God, look. I remember somebody tagging me on Instagram. They have some chairs similar to that at Ross. They're called ice cream chairs.
Ice cream? Does it actually taste like ice cream?
No, they used to be in the ice cream parlor. 40 for one, 70 for two. Okay.
Oh, the two is over there.
There's another one over there.
I remember every time we go to the like dentist or something, these things will be there.
Isn't this the booth? This is the booth. Kenzie was like, Mom, you have to come see it. It's like all mid-century modern. And she said that the lady who, go ahead.
When I came here the first time, I was just walking around seeing other booths. And when I came over here, the lady, first time she was sitting there, and then I walked around. And then when I came back, she was sitting in this.
Yeah, she was sitting in those chairs. Stop it. That thing over there is wobbling. And the last thing I need her to do is break this lady's stuff. But she has like lots of cool mid-century modern stuff. Like everything in her booth is so decorated.
Yeah.
I love that hat, but I feel like that's just for decor.
Yeah.
Look, and it's so layered. Like, this is so goals, and I hope that one day I can, like, my booth can look like this.
She is so comfy.
$300 for these end tables.
$300?
Yep, mid-century modern. That's the style. Are these drink stirrers? That is effing gross. Like, yuck. But guys, it's so pretty over here. Like, she has so much stuff. Even some vintage clothing in here. And I've thought about doing vintage clothes, but I don't really have the patience. But I love that she has like a little bit of everything that you could possibly want. And she's so cute. Like, the lady is so cute and peculiar. If she's in here one day, I'll ask, can she tell us about her booth? But isn't it dope?
Mm-hmm. She got a business card right there.
Where? Look at that chair. It's like a blast from the past. Oh, my necklace just came apart. I'm so sad. Let's see her business card. La Lolita Vintage. Vintage fashion and more. That is so cool. We're going to check her out online.
Okay.
So this booth is pretty cool, guys. It's nice and what, Kenzie?
Beachy!
So I think it's cool because everything in here is like Virginia Beach. Look, they even have little ornaments, which these will do good at Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Virginia
And they're
Beach.
handmade.
Our crab shack. They have really cute, like, beachy stuff here. And you guys know I live in Virginia Beach, so beachy stuff always does really well. And look at that. That is so cool to hang, like, coats, your dog leash, all that cute stuff. The beaches that way. Oh, yeah, we need to show them the mermaid booth, right? Look, and I love the fact they have a black mermaid with an afro. Like, yes.
And another one.
So cute. So, okay, let's show them the mermaid booth. This one's just like a bunch of crap. Yeah. I'm sorry if that's your booth and you're watching this video.
I'm sorry, but
maybe there's just, it says new, so maybe there's still, here's another little beachy one. And I like how they, look, I hate these ugly floors, so I love the fact that they got these different size rugs and kind of piece them together. Because it gives the booth more style. Come on, don't break that. And so this is one of my favorite booths too, guys.
Whoa.
It's another lady that paints furniture. She also sells paint. She has the prettiest stuff. Like, look, she even made like this out of an old shutter, and then this china cabinet is gorgeous. And I've thought about doing large pieces like this, but I just don't, because I don't have anywhere to paint them. But look, she even put fabric in the back of it. And she does a really beautiful job. I love how that's blended. And then she put the chicken wire. So it's dope.
yeah. And I like how she has all these paintbrushes out.
And I like how she left that wood there. But yeah. And then, look, two cool chairs and a bed. She does a really good job of like using all of her space to her advantage. So all of this is hers, guys.
Wait, what?
Yep, all of this is hers.
Oh, wow.
Look, she even has this cool piece there.
And she has knobs, right? She like sells knobs.
she resells like leftover knobs. And when you have lots of furniture, like when you pull furniture knobs off of old stuff, it's easy to collect knobs like this. So I always come over here and see if I can find any cool pieces. I'm actually looking, that's too much. That looks like it's from Hobby Lobby. But I'm always looking for cool knobs and stuff because like you can take old trays and put handles on them. So what I'm looking for is two pieces like this to put on top of a tray. It's like a old metal tray. I'm going to paint them black and then it can be used for serving. So I'm always looking for stuff like this. And look how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. And I love the fact that she put like new pieces of wood on the top. So obviously maybe this was part of a china cabinet or something, but I love how she repurposes things. And look at this freaking vanity. Beautiful. Like this is absolutely gorgeous. My chair, I've seen many chairs like this at the thrift store and passed on them, and I see she has it for $60, so I'm gonna start grabbing them when I see them. But this right here is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. $225. This is so pretty. Okay, guys, so then we'll show you the mermaid one. Ready? Kenzie's like, whatever. Like, this is the mermaid booth, guys. This is like one of my favorites in here. I know, look at that.
Candle holder.
It's a chandelier.
Oh.
Yeah.
Same
But
thing.
yeah, I think it is a candle holder chandelier. I think you're right.
It's written in cursive, so I couldn't see the price tag.
Well, what does the price tag say? Let's see. Yep, chandelier. Shell encrusted chandelier for $40.
I would
But
definitely buy
guys,
that.
she always has the prettiest stuff, and I love how she merges, like, look. Does that say, oh, $19.99. This is so pretty. I love stuff like that. And I think she does all of these paintings and stuff by hand. She makes these beautiful dolls. Look at them. How much is that doll?
Why, you gonna buy it?
No, we're trying to tell the people.
Fairy doll, $265.
Yeah. So her
For
stuff
you.
is really expensive, but it's worth it, I think. Like, look at this one. And then this one's $425. She does a beautiful job, guys. So I love her style. Everything's so feminine and pretty and chic and rustic and beachy. It's really, really cute stuff.
I like that.
This little cabinet. Alrighty, so let's go to our little humble booth and see what's going on over here. Guys, things are kind of empty over here right now, and that's because,
There's really nobody here.
yeah, there's no one's in the antique mall currently, so I purposely have not been bringing a ton of things here. We've been more so just selling them on Facebook because it's no point in like filling it with a bunch of beautiful stuff if no one's in here shopping. So obviously someone has touched this in the last couple of days because this wasn't like that.
It's like that.
Yeah, that was like that.
These people.
But we came here today because somebody actually wants to buy this cabinet from
Yeah.
me. So we need to go ahead and load it up.
Okay, let's start taking stuff off.
So thank you guys for watching this video. We really appreciate your love and support. Comment down below which booth out of the few ones that we showed you today was your favorite besides ours.
Make sure you like
Comment.
and subscribe, and right by the subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever she posts a new video.
Yep. We'll see you
And
guys.
go follow my YouTube page, Kenzie Kayana.
So thank you guys, and we'll see you later. Bye.